You will never throw away used tea bags after watching this. Tea is one of the oldest beverages on the planet, dating back to ancient China. And believe it or not, it's the most consumed drink after water. About 3.7 billion cups of tea are consumed on a daily basis around the world. So, needless to say, there's a lot of waste that comes from tea bags. But what if I told you that you can actually use those around the house? You can even include them in your beauty routine. By doing so, you will be helping the environment, while saving some cash on expensive products. So grab your used tea bags and let's get started. Number 1. Fertilize plants. Tea contains nitrogen, which is an essential nutrient for plant growth. It's also one of the main ingredients in chemical fertilizers. But not all plants are suited for chemical fertilizers. Some prefer organic methods. If you have acid-loving plants, such as roses or ferns, that need a little extra help in the soil department, try adding some used tea bags around the base of their roots. The tannic acid in tea lowers the soil's pH and increases its acidity, making it ideal for growing these plants. Number 2. Marinate meat. The next time you're going to marinate some meat, try mixing in a few used tea bags. The tannins from the tea will help tenderize the meat and make it more flavorful. The acidity of the tea also works to break down protein in meat, making it easier to digest. This is particularly helpful for people with sensitive stomachs. Number 3. Repel rodents and insects. Research suggests that minty fragrances can ward off mice and rats, as well as spiders and ants. So the best tea for this purpose is peppermint. Simply place a few used tea bags around your home. You can hang them in corners of cupboards or on shelves and countertops to repel these bothersome creatures. Number 4. Shine and polish surfaces. You can also use tea bags to shine wood, leather, and metal. This is especially useful for cleaning older pieces that have been neglected over time. It will help bring out their natural beauty and restore them to their original condition, making them look new again. All you have to do is rub a moist tea bag on the surface of whatever object you want to clean. Then, wipe it with a damp sponge or cloth. Number 5. Soothe insect bites. If you've ever been bitten by a mosquito, you know how annoying it is. The itching can be unbearable, and it can make your skin red and swollen. Thankfully, there's an easy way to relieve your bug bites: tea bags. Tea contains many antioxidants that work to heal and soothe irritated skin. When applied directly to the site of the sting or bite, it will reduce swelling, itching, and redness in just minutes. Simply hold a damp tea bag on the affected area until it dries out. Repeat as often as necessary. Number 6. Relieve achy feet. The next time you have achy feet, try soaking them in warm water with used caffeinated tea bags. The tannic acid found in the brew helps relieve swelling. At the same time, antioxidants reduce inflammation, and the caffeine stimulates blood flow to the area. This healing foot soak also helps neutralize odors and soften calluses for softer, healthier feet. Number 7. Reduce puffy eyes and dark circles. Puffy eyes and dark circles can be caused by lack of sleep, stress, dehydration, aging skin, and even allergies. Thankfully, a couple of tea bags can help reduce the appearance of puffy eyes and dark circles. For this purpose, soak 2 tea bags in cold water. Then place them over your closed eyes for 15 minutes. Do this once or twice a day until you see desired results. Number 8. Relieve sunburn pain. You'll have to remember this the next time you get a sunburn during your camping trip or island vacation. Applying wet tea bags to the affected area will help relieve sunburn pain by cooling down your skin. The anti-inflammatory properties of tannins in tea are shown to ease redness and inflammation and prevent peeling and itching. Number 9. Treat a razor burn. If you're prone to getting razor burn, a tea bag is a godsend. It cools down the skin and calms it, without leaving behind any residue that might irritate or cause further inflammation to your skin. Just apply some cooled tea bags to your face. Gently press them into your skin, wait for a few minutes while they work their magic, and then rinse off. You'll be amazed at how much calmer and smoother your face feels once you're done with this quick treatment. Number 10. Clean dirty dishes. You can also use tea bags to soak dishes. Just fill the sink with hot water and add 1 or 2 used tea bags, depending on how many dirty dishes need to be cleaned, and let them soak for 10 minutes. The tannic acids in the tea bags will help loosen food particles and cut through grease on surfaces like pots and pans, making it easier to get them clean. Number 11. Combat garden pests. If you have a garden, you know that pests and fungal infections can be a real problem for plants. Thankfully, you can easily whip up a natural pesticide and fungicide by boiling used green or white tea bags in some water. Let it cool and spray it directly onto the plants. It can be used to combat garden pests like aphids, slugs, and other bugs. The scent will prevent them from munching on your plants. This solution also helps keep mold from growing on plants by destroying microorganisms that cause disease. Number 12. Banish bad odors. Tea bags are a natural deodorizer, so you can use them to freshen up shoes and other smelly items. They're also great for getting rid of odors in the fridge. Simply place a used tea bag in the offending area and replace it every few days. You'll be amazed at how well this works. Number 13. Treat acne. If you're a bit of an acne-prone person, this tip is for you. You can use a tea bag to help treat your acne. Tea bags are very effective at reducing oil production on your skin, and thus reducing the appearance of blemishes. Simply wet a used tea bag with water, and then apply it directly to the affected area. This will usually be your face, but if you have another body part prone to breakouts, such as your back or chest, feel free to try this out there too. Number 14. Enhance bath water. When you have a bath and want to give your skin a little extra love, add some used tea bags to the water. It's a great way to use tea's relaxing and healing properties. The tannins will help hydrate your skin and reduce inflammation from dryness. For an aromatherapy-like experience, add a few drops of rose or lavender essential oil. Number 15. Enrich compost. If you're one to compost at home, you can put those tea bags to good use. Tea bags are great for adding moisture and aeration to your compost bin. The leaves hold on to the water after brewing, which helps speed up the decomposition process by encouraging beneficial bacteria growth in your compost heap. If you have a worm farm or other vermicomposting system, you can toss in used tea bags as well. If you are still not convinced that tea bags can be used for more than just your morning or evening cuppa, we encourage you to try some of these ideas and see how they work for you. Thanks for watching! If you thought this video offered some useful information, give it a like and share it with your friends. It allows us to create more great content. If you want to see more videos from us, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.